A day in my life as a working mom with 3 kids.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming here. And of course, before we start with the celebration for tonight, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lady Chat from Bohol Host Events and Coordination, and I'm going to be your host for the rest of the evening.
Mauna ni ron guys, so kada naadyo ko event or event hosting or bisan asa ko modong, naagyot ko bodyguard. O ging ani ba naman ka-cute o kagwapo imuhang bodyguard, okay rapod ko, bahalag magkuyog-kuyog. Well actually, bisan sa balay, bisan mag-CR ko, my gosh, kining little bodyguard na ako, permig yun yung magkauban sa ako Tanawa kung unsa siya ka-behave grabe. Ganahan dyan kayo siyang music. So cute, so guwapo. Mo dyan ang pinaka-cute o pinaka-guwapo nga bisita aning gabi una. Tanawa na gudang daong cute kaayo, kinagwapuhan. Bless you ka na, kay guwapo kaayo ka. You're welcome anak ha, kay guwapo kaayo ka. Nagkuyog na sila sa yung tatay. Kinsa may mas guwapo nila? Ang original or ang copyright? Well, sorry to tell you my happy, pero I'm gonna choose my one and only baby eyes. Mas gwapo yun akong anak tanawa. Nagtanaw yun siya taman sa human beatbox. Murag ganahan po tayo na siya mag beatbox ba? Pero murag singer yun siya. Kaya ganahan mag yun yung kanta ni bataa. Liwat ni siyang inahan. Singer. Diba? Muna perks na to o mag-host ta. Makakita ta sa mga talented nga mga tao. Tanawa ko sa talented si Brian G. Ang beatbox ng Bohol. Pagkagwapo yun din taon sa akong anak ko. Muni mag-uban-uban ako bisan asa ko paingon. Na kayo inton pagdaliog na ko kay murag cute o gwapo kaayo ka. Unsaon na lang daghan jud kaayong mugukod aning bataa.
Everyone listen, everybody clap your hands, please. Come on, clap. Come on, clap. Come on, clap. Turn down.
Thank you so much for that wonderful birthday wish. And of course, I'm going to call another person to do a birthday wish or a birthday celebrant. Please grab the mic here once you do your messages. And of course, I'm going to call the next random person to do the birthday message. Are you ready? Ready as I'll ever be. I'm going to call the second one. That will be Andrea. Please be ready, boys. Okay? You're going to have to show your moves during the 16 Roses dance. But of course, the first trivia question. Once again, you'll have to grab the microphone and answer the trivia question. First trivia.
Unya mao na lang sa to guys. Hantod ani na lang sa tataman. Till our next video. Thank you for watching.